So let's get ready with me in Hyderabad. As you guys know, I have shifted to Hyderabad. The weather over here is hot, humid, and it rains sometimes too. I want to achieve a look which is easy and which should be achievable in like 5 minutes or 10 minutes maximum, and the makeup should be budge proof as well. So I'm applying my basic moisturizer, my MAC Fix Plus. I'll be giving all the details of the products in caption. The basic thing is I don't want to apply too much makeup, just applying little bit of concealer. In this look I want to give more preference to concealer for the color correction purpose and less preference to the foundation. Since for everyday look we don't want that much of coverage, so I'll apply foundation in dotted way, which is like a way to apply little bit of foundation and don't cover your face fully. Applying it with my IT Cosmetics number 7 brush. This is my favorite brush, by the way. Just checking everything is okay. Spraying Fix Plus to get some more hydration. Make sure you dry it up properly, then you do the powdering. So it is humid over here. I don't want my foundation to move. That's why I'm powdering a little bit extra than I do it usually. Now I'm going to use my K by Katrina's blush. This is a very good blush for everyday use. I like to apply it on the eyes as well to give a monochromatic look, and please don't forget to apply it little bit on the temples of your forehead too. Applying little bit of highlighter, you can skip that too. I also don't apply a lot of highlighter in everyday usage. A good way to do the brows is use a tinted brow gel. Doing my mascara, and I'm open to meetings in Hyderabad just in case if any bride is looking to meet me. I am available now, so you guys can catch me over here. So that's how we get ready, and I wanted to dress as well. This is my basic shirt and trouser which I wanted to style today, and I wanted to keep it very casual and chic way. So that was it for the day. That was my get ready with me session. In case you have missed my Ahsoka video, I'm linking it here. Thank you, and I shall see you again. Bye.